Today, we're diving into the raw, true story of Ethan, a boy who thought he had all the time in the world, only to discover the devastating cost of inaction. This isn't just motivation, it's a mirror reflecting a reality millions are living. Hello, I am Alex. Ethan's story is important. It will show us the true value of time. Ethan did not lose his life fast. He lost it one lazy hour. Others worked. Ethan waited. When he finally woke up, part of him was gone. Ethan was 20. He had a home, food, a phone. He had dreams, but no plan. He just lived. He woke up late, looked at his phone for an hour. He sat in his room all day. He told himself, tomorrow I will truly start. He did this every day. This normal life slowly hurt him. He wanted more, but he did not listen. He was just existing. At 21, his friends got jobs. Ethan thought, I will start too. But now I want to relax. This relaxing became years. He dreamed of photography, but he never started. He always said, it is not the right time. I need a perfect plan. So he waited. Time did not wait. At 28, Ethan still lived the same way. He had no job, no money, only an old dream. He lied to himself. My time will come. Then his friend Daniel called. Daniel was getting married. He asked Ethan to take wedding photos. Ethan smiled, but he froze. He had not touched his camera in 2 years. He had nothing to offer. He lied to Daniel. He hung up. He sat there and cried. He saw the truth. All his empty days, all his excuses, all his tomorrows, all the hours on social media. He was 28. No skills, only dust of lost time. He looked in the mirror He did not know the person. He realized, I am stealing my own future. He whispered, if I do not start now, I will die this way. The next morning, he did not touch his phone. He sat in silence. He listened to himself. He said, I am not looking for success. I am looking for discipline. I will do boring, small things. Every day, I will get back my self-respect. He started. He woke up early. He wrote his feelings. He cleaned his room. He watched photography videos. He took 100 photos with his old camera. He made an Instagram page. He did these small things every day. Silence built his discipline. Ethan still felt bad. The regret burned. He saw younger people doing more, but he kept going. At 30, a travel company said, sorry, we want someone younger. It hurt him. But he made a new rule. Rejection means you are trying. Keep trying. He renamed his Instagram, Time You Lost. He shared his story. I wasted 10 years. Start scared, but start. People messaged him, I am lost too. Thank you. He was useful. He got his first paid job, a birthday shoot for $30. He spent 10 hours editing. He felt he got back part of himself. He bought a new lens. This was his rule. Earn, reinvest, repeat. He was taking his time back. Years passed. Ethan was 33. He had clients and self-respect. He was helping others, but he was never truly proud. He knew he could have had this success at 23 if he had respected time. That truth never left him. You can rebuild, but you can never get lost time back. One night, he wrote to his younger self, Dear younger me, I forgive you. You thought comfort was harmless. You thought time would wait. But the biggest enemy is silence. I forgive you for every morning you wasted. But now it is over. We are not wasting time anymore. Time rewards those who act every single day. You need more action. You can come back, but only if you stop delaying. Let's go. He felt free. Ethan's story teaches us wasting time is the most expensive mistake. Being too comfortable is dangerous. No one will save you. You must save yourself. You do not need a perfect plan. You need to start moving. You can rebuild, but every day you wait adds more pain. So, start now. You have heard Ethan's story. He thought life would wait, but it did not. Time never waits. Time is not your friend. It will burn what you do not build. If this story touched you, use this feeling right now. Don't let this be just another inspiring story you watch. Take action right now. Close this video, grab a notebook, and write down one thing you've been avoiding. Then do it. For more real-life lessons and stories that ignite change, subscribe to White Eagle.